Guys, so I'm back at Eurosports Autotech. We're talking car again. We're talking about our plan. So this is the C3M Roadster, C3M from my Mcoupe actually that I got. So it's gonna be 323 gears, which should be good. I mean, I like the 323 in my Mcoupe. So where are we at?
The driveshaft. We just got it back. They messed up on the measurements I gave them, so they actually shortened it out again. Now we're good. We just gotta assemble it to the front shaft. Try it on, make sure everything fits and there's plate for movement. If it is, then we just drop that diff and pop this in with the drive shaft.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
And drivetrain is done.
All right, so how about the oil cooler?
And we're working on the oil cooler. We just got a little oil cooler for the front.
Okay. And why is the oil cooler important?
It's important to keep those big horsepower cool off.
So don't eliminate it?
No.
I'm joking.
No,
I'm joking. All
no,
right.
definitely not.
So what's the plan? I know you asked me.
Yeah, I didn't know if you were going to use anything like fog lights or any kind of different things there.
No.
So if you're not, we're going to cut that molding. We're going to make another one in fiberglass.
Okay.
To make sure that we vent all air to the oil cooler.
And how you gonna mount it?
The oil cooler is going to be mounted right here. Still have to make some brackets. It's going to be right here. It doesn't bother with the wheel. And there's, with that vent that we're going to make, all the air is going to be channeled to the oil cooler. We have enough, plenty air to
It's
cool it
almost
off.
like forced air into
Yep,
the cooler.
it is forced air.